given argument type parameter. What I told? Given argument type parameter method available in a referenced variable class. LO1 what type? Long. Long type parameter equals method available in IO1 class. IO1 class is what? Integer. Tell me. In integer class, long parameter equals method available or not available? Not available. Available. Not available. Available or not available? Overloading chapter should not forget. When you pass the argument to a method, given argument type method not available, then searching for widening. Tell me, which equals method available? Equals of object. Equals of object parameter method can I call by passing equals of long parameter? And then what is the problem? Where is the compile time error? Incompatible types. It is not a operator. Operator only knows, compiler knows compatible or not compatible via operator. But compiler doesn't know via method call. When you call method, what is the syntax checking? Given argument type, matched parameter equals method available in IO1 class. Yes, in IO1 class available, obviously. Any compile time error or no compile time error? Now tell me, what is the output? Why? Okay, tell me. You are intelligent, animal intelligent. You also have brain. Animal also has a brain. You are intelligent. Come on, guys. Serious question I'm asking. Okay, earlier you want fan, not compatible because you have brain, but fan doesn't have brain. Now, animal has a brain. You also have a brain, right? And tell me, who is intelligent? Come on. Who is intelligent? You cannot compare. Either compilation time or runtime. The types must be compatible. Because animal and person not compatible. JVM doesn't throw error. What you are asking, are those equal? Not equal. There are three levels of checking will be there. First, type checking. Second, reference checking. Third, value checking, content checking. At runtime, inside equals method, three levels of checking will be there. Type, reference, value. In a java.lang.object class, only reference checking will be there. In a overriding logic, type and value checking will be there. If the argument object is a current class type, then data checking will be there. If the argument object is not a type of current class, then it returns directly false, saying that both are different type of objects. Comparison is not possible. Tell me, when you pass LO1 object, LO1 object is stored in a parameter OBJ, na? Inside equals method, there is a type checking if OBJ OBJ instance of current class is what? Integer. If OBJ instance of integer, then I'll go and check what? Type. Data. Else, directly return what? False. So inside equals method, we have two levels of checking. First, type checking and value checking. In a java.lang.object class, directly reference checking. समझ में आया? Everyone? Tell me now. If I try to compare two different wrapper class objects by using double equal to operator, we will get compile time error because wrapper classes are not compatible. If we compare by using equals method, we don't get compile time error. We will get false because the types are different. Hope you all understand? Again repeating. If I compare same wrapper class two objects by using double equal to operator, we will get false because their references are compared. Second, if you compare same class same wrapper class object two objects, their content is compared. If they are same, returns true. If different, return false. If you compare two different wrapper class objects by using double equal to operator, compiler throw error, incompatible types. If you compare two different wrapper class objects by using equals method, no compile time error. We will get false because the types are different. So this is the most important comparison concept. Wrapper classes comparison. Int I1 equal to 10, int I2 equal to 10. 10. SOP ln I1 double equal to I2. Why false? Why false? इसके पीछे एक शॉट लगाओ हेड में ध्यान से देखो वो इंटीजर है इंट है हाँ इंट क्या हुआ इंट क्या है भैया प्रिमिटिव डेटा को कैसे रेफरेंस आता हाँ क्या है वो वाला IO बना है suddenly your brain will go somewhere else. Why? Gita. Come on, guys. Primitive variable I1 double equal to I2. What will you get? Value comparison returns what? True. System dot out dot print I1 dot equals I1, I2. Possible or not possible? Can I compare primitive values by using equals method? No. We'll get int cannot be dereferenced. Type all these programs in your system compulsory. If you type, you will get subject maturity. Next to wrapper class, I am covering exception handling. Exception handling is again language, not API. After exception handling, I will cover wrapper classes. Wrapper classes is again API, not language. That means you have almost 1 week of the time to do revision of wrapper class and connected with a methods call, checking with. Then, which chapter you should be very strong. Methods and types of methods chapter, method calling chapter, calling methods concept you should be strong. When I call method, what is the meaning of it? Do you remember I gave you notes also? Compiler and JVM activities when we call method. Compiler search for given argument parameter method in the reference variable class. If available, JVM execute this method from reference variable class or from the current object class depending on type of method, static or non-static. Okay, na? Refer. 9 batch students. Tomorrow I'll teach Eclipse. Okay? With Eclipse, volume 1A, volume 1B topics are completed. Next to Eclipse, I should teach API documentation wrapper classes. Then 9 AM, do we need to continue from Monday? Not required. Then finally, Kichdi hota. Come on, everyone. 9 AM batch students, listen carefully. Tomorrow, I'll teaching Eclipse. 9 to 11, tomorrow batch Eclipse. If something is in Eclipse pending, Sunday I want to take class. Eclipse I will complete by tomorrow and Sunday. Clear? Monday onwards, the syllabus is what we are learning at 6 PM. So Monday onwards, you no need to come to 9 to 11. Clear? Listen, let me finish. What will you do 9 to 11 now? No revision. You have a lot of work to learn parallel. You should learn inner classes. Already 6 PM has completed inner classes. Types of inheritance is there. Inner classes topic is there. Java 8 lambda expression is there. 6 PM already completed, na? No, lambda expression not complete. I didn't give. Up to inner classes completed. 9 to 11. At home from Monday 9 to 11 at home you have homework. You have to study at home. 6 p.m. only you are coming. 6 p.m. If you have any doubts on the topic, you have to ask. Then when to practice 6 p.m. topic? From Monday, seriously you have to practice 6 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. class. At what time you have to practice? 9 to 10:30. Compulsory you have to practice. So I have prepared in every batch. Actually, every chapter if I teach in regular class, it takes core Java of my syllabus, it will take 8 months. Hey, listen, did I ask anything to refer? I said listen, right? Listen silent. Again repeating. My core Java syllabus to complete full syllabus in the regular class, it will take 8 months. But students, you are giving that much time? No. And even some of the people are ready to continue 8 months, but management not ready, and majority of the students also not ready. Only 10% of the students are okay, but remaining people are not okay. Because remaining students are not okay, management also not okay. Finally, I am also not okay. Clear? Then what should I do? I have two options. Number one, skip the syllabus. I said, listen. I didn't say choose one option. I said I have two options. Option number one, skip the syllabus. Option number two, unimportant chapters and the chapters which you can easily understand by your own. I prepared videos. Clear? Those videos I am sharing in every batch, not in one batch, two batch, every batch. Initially, when I say 4 hours per day you have to work, people are getting scared and fear. 4 hours, how? That's why initially I am not telling in the demo classes. But later on, I realize whenever I say, now you have to work more 2 hours for core Java, people are started blaming me. You sharing videos, you that is this. Oh, I realize people are ready to blame faculty for escaping, for becoming lazy. That's why in the demo classes I started telling, okay, you have 4 hours class daily, you got to work. In your batch also I told, but I didn't type. Now officially, I am typing it. Daily class time, 7:15 to 8:55 a.m. Training, regular session, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Self-study, revision and assignment work. Okay, na? Now, students have a chance to blame me now. How I am covering 8 months course in 4 months? Because totally there are 6 chapters I have separated from regular training, and those 6 chapters will take 2 months for you to complete. Almost 45 days. Not 2 months, 45 days. If you work fast, in 1 month we can complete. Otherwise, will take what? 2 months it will take. Starts with after object-oriented programming completed. Actually, earlier I used to give method overriding, method overloading topics also self-study only, entry questions. But I realized that people are not studying. They are coming to class with empty brain. Later chapters I was crying. That's why in your batch, overloading, overriding, entry questions I only taught in the class. Every topic I covered, right? Material I have given and I practice. 1 or 2 points only I gave you for revision, study purpose. Maximum I covered. Now, constructor overloading same as a method overloading. Final variable, final method, final class same as override. That's why I gave them as a assignment. I hope you completed. Did you face any difficulty there understanding? No, because I only teach regular class only that was. I hope schoolings also you found. That is the regular class, right? Next. After abstraction completed, types of inheritances, inner classes. These two topics, olden days are very important topics. Enter you are more concentrating. Nowadays, no one is concentrating after lambda expression came. That's why these two chapters I decided to record and give you for practice. That knowledge is necessary to understand lambda expression. Understood? Yes. That's why first you have to complete. Now, Monday onwards, 9 to 11, no regular class I am not taking. Now I am giving you what? Assignment. Every day, 9 to 11, at home, you have to study types of inheritances and inner classes, Monday to Sunday. It will totally 7 videos are there. Monday to Sunday, 7 videos are there. You have to complete. 9 a.m. batch. I'm talking to you. Completed? Understood? Then in 6 p.m., 9 to 6 p.m. to it's Monday onwards. I want to do little time change. Okay, girls, please try to adjust. You have to adjust. 6:30 to 8:15. I want to take the class from Monday. Okay, na? Yes. Boys, I never consider you. You only. Okay, 6:20 you come. Okay, 6:20 to 8:15. I want to take class. Please try to adjust it, and accordingly you try to plan. Because 9 a.m. batch, some students they cannot join by 6 o'clock. That's why. Anyways, I am also coming daily late by 6:15. Let me make it official. 6:20 to 6:30. I will give you revision. By that time, the people will join. Okay, na? 6:30 to 8:15. I will take the class. Clear? I mean 6:20 to 8:15. Monday onwards the class. Okay, everyone. Yes, clear the timings. Yes. Next week I am going to start exception handling chapter. Exception handling will take almost 5 to 6 days. 1 week it will take. Lot of depth I want to cover. Exception handling chapter full-fledged I want to cover because it's most weightage chapter in the interview and also in the projects and also in the advanced Java also. Without exception handling, you cannot imagine programs development. So complete depth I want to cover. So by Sunday, you have to complete inner classes and what do you call types of inheritances. Clear? 6 p.m. batch, I am not giving any assignments to you. You do revision as usual, 8 to 9 to 10:30 exception handling chapter revision and previous volume 1A, volume 1B, one more time try to do revision on methods chapter especially. Methods and constructor topics you do revision because already assignments you completed. And 9 o'clock batch students, you have to study those inner classes topic. Clear? Next coming 10 days schedule I have announced. Everyone comfortable? Right. What I am saying, you follow, buddy. Don't suggest me. Okay? After a lot of thinking only, I decided. Lot of things consider only, I decided. Okay, na? Try to adjust your timings according to my request. If possible, I would take, right? Not possible. That's why not taking. Morning. How did you say? Sumit, which batch student you are? You are 6 p.m. or 9 a.m.? 9 a.m. Morning, I ask you to send a message to my WhatsApp number. Did you send? Not you, Sumit. B. Sumit. Mr. B. Sumit, reply fast. Morning, did you attend class? Why you didn't come to the morning class? Why you came now? And whenever you wanted to wish to stop, you can stop. When you attended, why didn't send message? So morning class recorded and sleeping. Yes, sir. Morning 9 o'clock, you put recording and then you went somewhere. Okay, guys, listen. So this is my plan. Okay. Next reason why I'm requesting you 9 a.m. batch to come to 6 p.m. Maximum students are able to come to 6 p.m. Number one. Number two. Same topic running morning, evening. I have to teach 2 times. So I can save. 9 to 7, what I will do. 9 to 11, what I will do. Correct? No, I have to tell you. 9 to 11, I'm taking rest. No. Am I starting new batch? No. Okay. I am planning to learn Spring Boot microservices. Okay. Clear my point? I am learning new content. Two topics I am planning to take new batches in the coming days. Number one, full-fledged logical programming batch. Let me finish here. Following a full-fledged logical programming batch, I want to start for Java and Python students both. Don't tell outside. It's a secret. Okay. So for that, I need to prepare material. I have to prepare programs. Because of multiple batches, I'm unable to fulfill the requirement of the market. Logical programming itself will take 2 months. So if I consider logical programming as a regular core Java batch, now it will core Java batch again will become 1-year course. Or you have to go to C batch to join. If you go to C-based logical programming, Java-based logical programming, people are confusing. So I decided to take logical programming fully in Java only as a special batch. For that, I have to prepare programs, list of programs, and then material. Everything I have to make it ready. Second, I want to take coming days along with that core Java compulsory. I don't leave core Java. Core Java plus logical programs plus I want to come to frameworks area also. I want to step in. Okay. So okay, once I step in, history repeats. So Spring Boot microservices and a real-time project I want to handle. Clear my point? Further, I need free time to prepare. So that's why slowly I am trying to adjust the batch timings. And so I got a chance to adjust the 9 a.m. slot to the evening 6 p.m. That's why I'm moving here. Clear my point? Because I don't want you in a dilemma. Why this fellow morning 9 o'clock told last coming 6 p.m. batch is changing? Then 9 o'clock batch students may ask me, so then why 6 p.m. not changing to 9 a.m.? 6 p.m. batch students are college going students. And you completed college now. Hey, come on, 9 a.m. completed, no? That's why I decided to move 9 a.m. to here. Clear? Then why the reason behind batch changing got clarity? I hope no angry na. Okay. Earlier I have changed 1 or 2 batches also. That time my health was not good. That's why I changed. But now my health is good. 2 batches I can take. But the future benefit, as early as possible, I wanted to prepare the material and I want to get ready with these new topics. Because last 18 years I was teaching core Java, core Java, core Java. I also get fed up. Something new I want to handle. Okay. And for the sake of students. And now coming days, interview style is completely changed. You go any written test exam, any interview, people are asking scenario based questions. 3 written test questions are giving to you. People who are able to write a program for the 3 questions, they are picking for the next rounds. Earlier aptitude round, technical round, question papers will be there. The Jamana gone. Now more concentration is on logical program, not find the given number palindrome or not. Okay, scenario based questions are asking. So that scenario based questions I am preparing, searching on the Google, finding the questions, and also with my previous question papers knowledge. Just I am preparing one good material for it. For that I need free time. For that I am requesting 9 a.m. batch to come to 6 p.m. Second reason. Anyways, you have to let that entry questions, 1 month entry questions. I mean videos also you have to practice. 9 to 11. Anyways, your time is not wasting, right? You are 9 to 11, you are engaged with preparation. So first 1 week, entry questions on types of inheritances, and second inner classes you are learning. Next week, again you are going to get next set of entry questions. Clear my point? So 9 to 11 also you have regular class where in your room, and 6 to a.m. in my room. Clear? And 9 to 9:30 study hour for 6 p.m. topic to study. This is how you have to plan. How many hours you have to work for next 1 month? By maximum June 15 or June 20. Maximum by June 20, I will complete the batch. Clear my point? Maximum by June 20, I will complete. So by June 20 completed, you should not do after June 20, should not do any revision. Directly with entire core Java knowledge should be there in your mind. Directly you should ready for the interview. That way I am planning for this 1 month of schedule. So 9 to 11, 6 to 8, 15, and then what? 9 to 10:30. Totally 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours time you have to pack up with what? Core Java, thoroughly prepare. Next coming advanced Java automatically will understand. And Spring Boot also automatically will understand. When you go to interview, any question asking by the interviewer, automatically you can answer. This 1 month is most important for you. Will you prepare properly? Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, don't go. Till Jan 30, there is no syllabus to cover above. Okay, by Jan 20, I am planning. Yeah, maximum within one and a half month, I am planning. Yeah, logical programming, special batch, focusing fully on interview. Interview focusing. I am planning a new batch and Spring Boot and microservices real time project batch. It will take around 2 or 2.5 months. It will take. Okay, almost ready, but material I have to prepare. Ah, all the people understand the comparison. So wrapper class type comparison, double DO1 equal to new double, IO1 double equal to DO1 error, and IO1 dot equals or DO1 no error. Okay, all the people look at here. I'm taking primitive data type variable I1 and I'm taking D1. D1 is a reference type variable or primitive variable? Primitive variable. Now I am comparing I1 double equal to D1. Compile time error or no compile time error? Primitive data types are compatible or not compatible? Primitive data types are compatible, their wrapper classes are not compatible. So that's why if you compare int with double, no compile time error. What is the value of I1? 10. What is the value of D1? 10.0. True or false? Why? Because I have written true here. Okay. Listen, in your mathematics, remember, I remember my life. 10, 20.0, what is the value? Addition of plus. Huh? Like you, I also said 30.0. My sir asked me, come nearer and slapped me. Why is that? 30.0 only. Tumri fellow, how can you add integer and double? Following? Huh? Integer is different, double is different. How can I add? You have to convert integer to decimal value by adding dot zero. Then addition you have to start. Yes. I remember because he bet me, right? He slapped me. That's why I remember this one. Okay. Once I come to Java training, when I see this point compiler, oh my God. Okay. It is also following my SAR formula only. Okay. Tell me what it will do now. I1 is convert I1 place 10 store, D1 place what? 10.0. 10 converted to 10.0. 10.0 to 10.0. Finally 10.0 equal to 10.0. True. That's why true come. Very this here. So this is wrapper classes chapter with what do you call it? Conversions and comparisons. Everyone comfortable? Pakka. Will you practice this last program? Then we have to cover auto boxing, auto unboxing, command line arguments program with auto boxing, command line arguments program with this conversion and what do you call it? Buffer reader. These 4 topics will complete in tomorrow class. Clear my point? If I start now also, I cannot complete all the topics. Unnecessary in the middle, I have to stop. I want continuity of auto boxing and auto unboxing. So tomorrow, class timing will be 6:20 to 8:15. Clear? 9 a.m. batch. Tomorrow we have class as usual, 9 o'clock. We will cover what? Eclipse. Clear my point? Thank you. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow.